Whichever way you look at it, drones have changed the way we look at the world, and this bag lets you take your drone to the most challenging places. Meet Agua Drone Lander for Mavic and Spark drones. It's lightweight and comfortable to carry with its padded main strap and the front tightening strap that keeps it close to your body. It allows quick access to your gear thanks to the insert with 3 layers of padding for uncompromising protection, and a designated pocket for the drone and all its equipment. Agua Drone Lander has an integral mat designed to enable safe takeoff and landing without worrying about getting the drone dirty. It provides a comfortable and neat workspace, and when it's folded, it serves as an extra layer of protection for your precious gear. And with the IPX3 stormproof protection, it's totally ready for any challenge. And it's approved by Mother Nature. Agua Drone Lander, perfect protection for your drone, even in the toughest places in the world.